What if the weight of your past is the only thing holding you back from the life you dream of? Regrets, mistakes, what ifs, they're stealing your future. Stick with me for the next 3 minutes, because I'm going to show you how to make peace with your past and unlock the freedom to build a successful, wealthy life. Let's do this. Your past feels like a shadow, doesn't it? That one mistake you can't stop replaying. That opportunity you missed. That voice in your head saying, "You're not good enough." It's paralyzing. You want success, money, confidence, a life you're proud of, but every step forward feels like you're dragging 1,000 pounds of guilt and fear. Here's the truth. You can't change the past, but you can change what it means to you. And it starts right now. Stop running. Look your past in the eye. That mistake? It taught you resilience. That failure? It showed you what you're made of. Write down one thing from your past that haunts you. Now write what it taught you. This isn't about pretending it didn't happen. It's about owning it. You're stronger because of it, not weaker. You're human. You messed up. So what? Beating yourself up won't change a thing, but it will keep you stuck. Say this out loud. I forgive myself. Sounds simple, but it's powerful. Forgive the younger you who didn't know better. You're not that person anymore. You're ready to grow. Your past isn't a chain, it's a launch pad. Every lesson you've learned is fuel for your success. That pain? It's your edge. That struggle? It's your story. Use it to drive you toward the wealth, freedom, and impact you're chasing. The past only controls you if you let it. Here's the urgency. Every day you cling to your past, you're delaying your dream life. The wealth, the confidence, the success you want, it's waiting on the other side of this choice. Imagine waking up free, unburdened, ready to crush it. That's what making peace with your past unlocks. Millionaires, moguls, game changers, they all let go to level up. Now it's your turn. Don't wait another second. Take one step today. Write that list. Say that forgiveness. Reframe that story. Your future self is begging you to start now. Drop a comment below with one thing from your past you're letting go of today. Subscribe for more tools to build your dream life. You're not your past, you're your potential. Let's make peace with yesterday and start building your tomorrow. I'll see you in the next one. Keep pushing forward.